Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing the SD card and mounting it on a Windows or Linux PC using a reader. You create a raw image immediately. This preserves evidence and gives a restore point. Once the image is saved, make sure to disable network access so malware cannot phone home. Now open a file browser or terminal and list partitions to locate the card. This ensures you will target the correct device for cleanup. You run a full scan using 2 engines. This increases detection. If you find auto-run, INF, LNK files, or unfamiliar executables, delete them from the mounted card. Explain why. Those often re-execute malware. Once deletions are done, run file system repair tools to fix corruption so deleted files don't reappear. Make sure to unmount cleanly and rescan the card image. That confirms removals and prevents reinfection when reusing the card. You format the card using a full overwrite to remove hidden sectors and residual code. That's why not quick format. After formatting, selectively restore only trusted files from your image, scanning each before copying. Once restored, test the card in the original device to confirm normal behavior. If the device still shows suspicious files or instability, reimage the card entirely or replace it. This is the last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if infections persist, test on a different host to rule out PC contamination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.